Welcome back to Technologies. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can correctly take a screenshot. It happens that we took the screenshot in Control and F11, which is print. We have to do paint and save that screenshot. But I'll give you the solution in this one video. What we're going to do is press Windows and P and we can see we have the carpet, and in this carpet we can see the screenshot. It is saved. Okay, the second option is press Windows Shift and S. We can see four options. Select the screenshot all, select partial screenshot, for example this, and you can see in the right here. Okay, press again a screenshot of the window, all a screenshot. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content here into Confiability Technologies.